Starting from the beginning, we have the raw materials, a very high carbon tungsten steel, I call Catchy Blue, very fine grain though, and either side, mild steel. Here's some billets prepared to weld. Just roughly clean the sides just to get them even. I'm just waiting for the furnace to heat up. Little squirt of WD-40 just to suck in there, just helps avoid scale for that very first part of heating. While the furnace is heating up there, I'll just talk a little bit about the welding process. So we're going to heat these materials, this is carbon steels, up to about, well, the minimum temperature that I can weld them at, which is just under, well, it's about 1150, something like that. By using flux you can make the temperature a bit lower, which is a really critical thing in keeping the carbon. And really, when you heat these materials up, and by using a flux to keep the surfaces clean, you get an interlocking bond between the surfaces, and you get interactivity between the materials. As I say, you get some of the carbon, which is the smallest element, is small enough to be able to leach through into the cladding. So that's got to be controlled. Them all welded up, and a couple of these will just get forged straight out. The tang's forged out, tips forged out before we start. I put a bit of taper on them, and then I start setting the bevels under the power hammer. So I got all my pieces that I forged out yesterday trimmed down. A bunch of stuff in the fire there, some for petty, some for smaller goito, and a couple for larger goito, and I set the pieces for powering those aside. So let's get to work.